Vic'a. Another visit to Daiso coming up. There I want. That's what I want. Fishing gear. Looks like they greatly reduced the stock in the fishing gear. Still got some reels, hook removers, aerators to keep your fish alive, pumps. You got prices over here. From is a guide to go from yen to US dollars. Still got these nice ultralight rods, some measuring devices for the fish. On this side used to have more, but not much now. Still decent selection of mostly freshwater stuff, like from trout to bass. Not what they normally stock. It's kind of light, interesting. These might be good for small type of fish like hallelujah, which are young scads. That might be interesting. Some lead shots, light swivels, some hooks with trailers on them, some smaller trebles in the top. The bend out kind of easy on a bigger hit. Well, that's it. Not much today.